So alright guys, back again with me via Lactea. Today we're going to make a Scarface t-shirt design in the Photoshop, and also shout out to the Fullermo who make really great tutorial that inspired me a lot to make this tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started. Then you can first thing first, you can click the at the keyboard, press the at the keyboard and then click it, and you can type it Scarface. You can change the font by doing clicking right here. You can change the font by clicking right here and then clicking right here. About to choose from Libre Baskerville font. Then you can go to right click, go to blending option to change the style of the image. You can just follow along my settings to get this style of the font. Just follow along the depth, the size, the subjects, and the opacity. The inner glow also you can shade it whatever you want, but make sure you follow along my tutorial and just follow the opacity, the angle, the distance, and the size. And you can also pause the video to watch the perfect style, the perfect shading in a slow way and in the more slow way. Here are some of the settings that you can follow along and just copy paste my setting to get the exact same of the style. So basically, this is the gradient overlay. When you click it at here, you can get the style that you want. And then you can go to the folder of the image, you can drag and drop it with the Photoshop. Click OK. And click W or magic wand tool, go to select subject, selecting only the subject. Click here for the layer mask. Click B for the brush tool to dilating and making more smooth of the image like this. You can change it the effects like the exposure at the camera or filter like this. Change the contrast, highlight, shadow, white, and you can add some texture and clarity. And also you can adding some noise reduction to make the image more unnoisy, look like unnoisy. After all of that, you can click at the font and press Alt. So you can press Alt and click to drag it the font, and it can make it easier to copy subjects or anything there with the layer. You can just click Alt and press Alt and click. It will easily for the copy pasting. Go to text tool, click the top here for the text, and you will make the text to be look like this or anything that we can customize the text and the font to be looking like this. It's called with a wrap text. You can do it by click it at the text tool and then at the top of the text tool. You can change the color of the text again by clicking the bending options, go to inner glow, or you can change the outer glow, drop shadow or anything. And I'm here changing the inner glow to be more looking like this, like reddish color, having the red color rather than the green. So it can make the text look more cooler and way better than only one color like a green. Drag and drop and make a change from the folders, and you can go press W or magic wand tool to select the objects and remove the background. It's the most easy way to remove the background. After you select the subject, click right at the bottom for the layer mask. Click it, and then boom, you remove the background. And the easiest step. Press to the layer mask, click the brush tool, make the foreground to black, and you can delete it like this to make the edges more smoother than only not looking good things. I mean, like, then you can add in some round shape, circle shapes right here. Right clicks, go to ellipse tool, press Alt, and click to make it like this. And then you can press it, and then you can place it the image inside of the circle like this by right clicking and create the clipping mask in the top of the object. Clicks at the ellipse layer. If you want to change the color to white like this, you can move it around to be at a better place like this. Drag and drop image again at the Photoshop using the same method as before. Click W or magic wand to select subjects and go to layer mask to easily remove the background. You can place this image in the bottom of the layer to make the good composition, I think. Look like this. You can change around the size of the image to make it more looking good for the design. Click blending option for the text to change the color, and you can change the sachet to make it maybe black to inner glow, also to make it more color by changing all this stuff. So I go with the right color. Color blending option for the subjects, adding the other glow, and it will make the character having some glowy effect outside of him, like this. You change the opacity, the color, or you just can follow along my settings. You can pause it and then you can see my setting. You can change the spread, the size, and the range. You can delete from the layer mask for the image they're having a bad opacity right here. Then you can click it, right click, and then you can alt and click for the layer to make it easy to copy the effect. Like this. Alt and click and drag and drag. Drag it at the subject, and then the other subject will also having the same effect. The other glow, same effect. Go to gradient map, change it. Go to gradient map, don't forget to create the clipping mask. By the right click and create the clipping mask right here, and then we'll click it here. Change it, the color, so you can make the color of the image looking like this at the skin. So basically, the more lever of the gradient maps is for the darker color, and the right is for the lighter color. And I go like pink and yellowish color, like this. The darker pink color and yellow light color. Then press the Alt and drag, right click like this. Don't forget to create the clipping mask. So the other subject is having also the same effect of the gradient mask. Again, drag and Alt click, double click, create clipping mask, drag again right here, and it will go look like this, and all the images will go look like this. You can use cloud brush tool at the bottom of the layer to drawing some background color. Then if you didn't like the color, you can click the layer, press Ctrl U at the keyboard to change in the hue and saturation. can change the hue and saturation. So I'll go maybe the lower saturation to make it become having less of a contrast. Press E to delete the edge like this. After all of that step, you can select all the layer from top to bottom and then press Ctrl G, add the layer mask, adding some texture, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, go to here, Alt plus click, and then you Ctrl V to copy the texture. And after you copying this texture to the layer mask, it will make the design. It will make the design having some texture, like here, it's really nice for a t-shirt. It will make the design having a texture like a grungy like this. That's it for tutorial today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.